Hello people, in this video I am going to show you how can you edit a photo like this to this. So stay tuned to the video and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to never miss any update. Let's get started. First of all, take the photo that you want to edit. I want to edit that photo, so I simply type it. Open the photo and tap to this auto option. Then look that the color collected automatically. Then go to the color option. Then adjust the temperature to -2 and the vibrance to 22. Okay. And take the saturation to 11. Not 12, 11. Then go to the mix section and adjust the red luminance to 30. Then go to saturation and adjust it to +10. Then take the hue to 8. Okay. Then go to orange, adjust the color, adjust the orange color hue to 10. Then the saturation to 20 and the luminance to 40. Okay, then go to the yellow color and take the saturation to +100 and take the hue to -100. Okay, then go to the green color and take the saturation to +100 and take the hue to -100. Okay, then go to the aqua color and take the saturation to -100 and take the hue to -13. Then go to the blue color, take the saturation to -100. Okay, now done. Then go to the effect option, take the clarity to 12. Then go to the return option and take the hue to 15. Great. Go to shadow and take the hue to 173. Okay, 173 and 5, and then press done. Then go to detail option, take the sharpening to 20. Okay, then go to noise reduction and take it to 18. Then go to the color noise reduction and take it to 20. Okay, now go to the curve option, go to light section and press the curve option and follow the steps. Here another one. Okay, then take it slowly to the up ahead. Just like me. just like that. Okay, now press done. Now go to a selective option. Take the selective option, press the plus icon and tap it here like that. Go to the exposure and update it little bit more. Just like that. Then go to color option. And take it to 22. Okay, take it to 23 and the saturation to 87. Okay, now then press the sign option and again go to the go to the color section, go to mix option and now go to the orange, and here you can increase the color of orange luminance. Increase the luminance to 93. Okay, and now done. Just look at that right now. Is it look awesome? Now we can copy the filter also and copy the settings. Okay, now bring it, paste, just then go to here and paste. So guys, please like that video and share that video to your friends and family, and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to never miss any update. So goodbye.